Table of content. Introduction. 3 mistake. 1. Focusing on selling. 4 mistake. 2. Not testing. 5 mistake. 3. Sticking with MO product. 6 mistake. 4. Separating yourself thin. 7 mistake. 5. Joining too many affiliate program. 8 mistake. 6 not tracking result. Mistake giving up too quickly. 11 mistake. 8 competition of fear. 12 mistake. 9 ignore competition. 13 conclusion. 15 bonus coupon. 16 2000 right reserve. Right 2000 2015 all right reserve. Copyright 2015 all right reserve. No part of this publication may be including but no limited to reproduce in any form, medium, storage in the data retrieval system on transmitted by or through any means without prior written permission from the publisher. The information contained herein has been obtained for source believed to reliable at the time of publication. The opinion expressed herein are subject to change without notice. The publisher disclaimer all warranted as to the accuracy, completion, adequacy of such information. The publisher assumes not liability for errors, omissions, or inadequacies or information contained herein for the entrepreneur thereof. The publisher specifically disclaims the liability from the use of or application of the information contained herein for or from the entrepreneur thereof. Introduction. Affiliate market is a great way to make money, but it is not necessarily as easy as to sound. Too many affiliate markets are actually making huge mistakes that cost them time, money, and may even hurt their reputation permanently. Fortunately, once you have identified this killer mistake, it is easy to correct them so you can stop making them in your one affiliate marketing campaign. If you have been wondering why your affiliate marketing campaign are not as effective as you had hoped, you might be making one or more of those big mistakes that could be seriously hampering your efforts. In this guide, you will learn about the most common mistake made by affiliate markets. Even so highly experienced markets make this mistake. You will also learn how to keep from making this mistake yourself and how to keep from repeating the same mistake over and over again, and so many people seem to do. So let's get started. Mistake number 1, focusing on your selling. I understand that main goal. Mistake 1, focusing on selling. I understand that the main goal of affiliate marketing, at least for the marketers themselves, is to make sales. That much is obvious, but you should never focus on selling. Interest, your main focus should be on helping people, no matter what your market. You should be focused on helping your market in some way because this is how you add value to your affiliate offers and how you get the audience in that market to trust you and want to buy from you. It don't matter what your market is, your main goal is helping people. Period. Weight loss. You're helping people get in shape, get healthy. Internet marketing. You are helping people make money and achieve finance freedom. Sock, you are helping people keep their feet warm and dry and look fashionable at the same time. Always focus on helping your target customer. This will help you build a rapport with the people you had like to sell to, making your job easy and giving you reason to feel good about yourself at the same time. Mistake number two, not testing. Testing is one of those things that everyone seems to know they are supposed to do, but almost no one actually does. Why exactly is testing so important anyway? Well, let's say you are achieving a 2.5% conversation rate. Not too hard, not too bad. You might think, after all, you have considerable competition and you are not really standing out well in your market. But what if you want simple tick something perhaps as simple as adding one word to your Squeezy page or changing one image on your blog main page could increase that to 5% conversation. 2.5 higher doesn't sound like all that much of your difference until you realize that double that conversation rate, double the customer and double the income for making one change. Isn't that worth it? The thing is, you will never know what might make a difference if you don't test. Mistake number three, streaking with MMO product. MMO or make money online is one of the most financially lucrative marketing there are, but it is mistake to concentration sold on the market. Did you know that even the biggest internet marketing IM gurus have diversified into the market? That is the because any niche, no matter how lucrative, has been maximum income cap that you can reach. Eventually, you could reach virtually the entire market, and your income will suffer because you have nothing new to them add no way to add new value. Sure, this is an extreme example. That the fact is no matter has a absolute cap because you know customer are being one or growing up all the time. But think about it. Once you have hit a plateau, your income stagnant. But if you diversify, if you branch out into the market, you will always have free product to promote. You will always have new value to add. You will always be able to make money because you are not pigeonholed into the specific market. I know it may be tempting to trust with the MMO niche because it can be extremely lucrative and you are learning a lot about yourself. But unnecessarily, you can help someone that niche because you are an expert yourself. You are better off trying a niche where you have more to add. Mistake 4, spreading yourself too thin. The The temptation is great, specifically for new affiliate market, to spread themselves too thin by branching out into too many market. Maybe they buy 50 domino all at once, or they set up blog in the 13 different niche in one big. But this is follow. You should focus on one or two key niche at the time. Diversify once you have made some really headway into those niches. Unless you can there here in someone to manage multiple blogs, multiple product, multiple email list, multiple social media page and accounted. You are doing yourself a huge diversity widely into the beginning. Choose two or three market initially and the only diversity further once you have really made some really headway into those first niche. Once you have some decent traffic, a small mailing list that are growing some, Some social media presence that making difference, then you can think about trying out new niche. Don't make the mistake of spreading out too far too fast. You find that you can never make a real difference in any one niche because you are not putting enough effort into one to make money headway. Mistake 5, joining too many affiliate program. Another major temptation of affiliate market is to join too many affiliate program because they are not sure which one will be most profitable for them. Well, let you in one little secret. They can all be profitable for you. Trust me. As long as you are struggling to be legitimate affiliate program with well-known companies, you are almost always going to see some niche result. There is reasons why the affiliate program are so popular. Choose your two or three starter niche and then find 2 by 3 affiliate program for each one. Make sure you can find at least one really hot product at each affiliate program that look like it will convert well in your niche and then stick to promote that product for a while before you try something new. If you join too many affiliate program at once, you will find that you take a very long time to reach the minimum payout required for each affiliate program because you will be making $2 here, $8 there, $22 somewhere else. It is madness. It's much better to sell their different product via one single affiliate program than IT is to sell 50 products from 35 different affiliate program. Not only that, but if you are member of too many program, you will be more up to forget the rules for each affiliate network and end up getting banned because there is just too many to keep track of. Some of the best or most popular affiliate program include Ziva.com, Neverblue.com, CG.com, Linkshare.com, Shareless.com. Check the program to see which ones have product that fit your market and then stick with those programs for a while. You will find you never need to move past their few programs. Mistake number 6, not tracking result. If you start seeing a good number of sales, you will soon start to wonder which of your marketing efforts is the most product bit. You will obviously want to concentration more of your effort on those methods that are making you most money. But what if you have no idea which area to concentrate on because you don't know which method you are working? Entire tracking. Tracking quite simple. Lets you know where your traffic is coming from the where it is going. Simple tracking is as simple as using a tracking code through your affiliate program. For example, you can create a unique tracking ID for each website you want on the Amazon Flipkart network. Or if you promote product through ClickBank, you can add a customer code word to affiliate links to allow you to find or the where sales you refer came from. You could also go into much more details by using your one affiliate tracking script that will allow you much more details information about your click and sell. This is advanced stuff, so you might not need to is right away, but you definitely need some sort of tracking is in place so you can figure out which your method is working best. Mistake 7, given up too quickly. If I had $1 for every person I have sin give you trying to make money online. I had be very wealthy right now. The internet is literally with blog that have only one or two posts on the affiliate account that never send the first referral. What are some common reasons for giving up? Not making money too quickly, not getting traffic rules quick, not getting accepted to many affiliate network, feeling like it is much work, thinking affiliate marketing is a scam. The one thing most of their think of income is expecting thing to happen overnight. Affiliate market isn't a scam just because you don't make $10,000 or even $1,000 your first month. You can't expect to take brand new domain with no backlink to 1 lakh page use month right way. This thing take time. If you give up too quickly, you will never know what could have been. You never know you could be the next internet millionaire. But you will never know if you give up before it happens. Mistake number 8, competition fear. A lot of people try to stick to the low happening fruit because they have been told that is the what should be do as new beeps, or they do it because they are terrified that they will never be able to compete against the million of other websites out there. Hogwash. You can complete it in any niche. I have no completed new web how managed to crack super through niche like MMO on weight loss right off the bat. Is this like? Of course not. Is it possible? Definitely. I don't advise new affiliate marketing to tackle their extremely through niche immediately, but you don't have to choose tint. Obscure nature then aren't like to make you much money either. If there not much competition, it is because there are not much mo- money make there. Trust me, there are no undiscovered or untapped niche. Anyone there may have been a few years ago, but that ship has sailed. If it will make money, it is already making someone money. Probably a lot of people. Don't fear competition, just be away of it. You want competition, trust me. Too much competition is a difficult thing to overcome, but choose niche that have a decent amount of competition because that is where the money is. Mistake number 9, ignoring competition. While it is important not to fear competition, it is also important to be sensible. Expecting to make a fortune overnight in super competitor niche like weight loss is sure recipe for this point. What you need to do the beginner is target niche that 1. Have a healthy amount of competition. 2. Don't have so much competition that is difficult to get traffic. 3. You have some in the rest of knowledge in. Notice 3. Specifically, if you have absolutely no internet or knowledge in niche, it will be hard to create content, hard to identify with your target market, harder to sell product you know little know nothing about, and harder to get traffic. Do you need to be expert to conquer a market? Absolutely not. In fact, you could be probably do well in niche that you know nothing about, just learning as you go. But if you have absolutely no interest in the subject, it is going to make it much easier to give off. You will simply get bored because your workday becomes such a grand that you will throw your hands up in frustration and flip on the television or head out to the lake. So how do you choose your first few niche? Make a list of some topic you have a interest in. I had say 10-20 topic would be enough to get started. Now check to make sure there are affiliate product to promote, a decent amount of competition, res- resource available for you to learn from, traffic source you can take advantage of. As far as competition, you want to look or for niche that you at least 50,000 existing website. Even a few million is not big deal. 50 million might be pushing it unless you have money to pay for initially promotion. You can find out how many sites there are that mention your topic by searching Google. I search multi-word perhaps inquired to be sure I get a accurate number. I searched for golf and got about 1,310,000,000 result. Yakly over a billion. A search of gluten free have come up with about 85,000,001,100 result better but still pretty big. Pasta maker came up with about 425,000 result. That is a definitely much more reasonable. Don't fear competition but be reasonable about it. Conclusion: a affiliate market isn't for the faint of heart or people who find that they tend to give too easy or jump around for me see new thing to another without thinking. It is actually a lot of hard work and it is take time to build a resource like blog traffic and email list. There are no shortcut unless you have the cash to spend to content action buying existing website with traffic or paying your email subscriber or social network followers. Always keep this potential mistake in the mind as you negative your way through in the precarious world of affiliate marketing. Be sure you are not making this mistake and don't become lax once you start making money. No one is immune to this mistake. As long as you work hard, keep at it, and avoid this mistake, you are certain to start making money. But if you give up, I can guarantee you will fail. Good luck.